Why does your scanner show the P261B engine code? What does it mean? P261B is a diagnostic trouble code for coolant pump control circuit performance stuck off. This engine code indicates a coolant pump B control circuit performance or stuck off issue, meaning the engine's electric water pump isn't working correctly or is completely off. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed electric water pump, wiring harness or ECM issue, aftermarket water pumps. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota hybrid vehicles like Camry Hybrid and Iqua. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.